Diwali time means Shakkarpara time. Everyone loves Shakkarpara. So today we are going to make tasty, crispy, crunchy Shakkarpara recipe. To start with, take a pan on slow flame and add half cup boiled milk. I am using half cup. So we have to take sugar and ghee of same measurement as milk. And we add half cup sugar. Mix it, stir it, and just warm the milk till the sugar is melted. The sugar has dissolved. Now we'll switch off the flame and add half cup melted desi ghee or clarified butter. Desi ghee gives a very nice taste to the Shakkarpara, and Diwali means using desi ghee a lot. Cool the mixture a little bit and remove in a parat or platter. Now we start adding all-purpose flour, little quantity, and go on mixing in the milk mixture. For healthy version, you can use wheat flour in place of all-purpose flour. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt while mixing the dough. Gather the dough like chapati dough, soft but firm. Now we'll cover the dough with damp kitchen cloth and keep aside for half an hour. After half an hour, bind the dough again once or twice. Then take a specific quantity of dough and roll into a circle, a little thicker than chapati. Fold into a triangle and roll again into a thick circle. This way we get layers in Shakkarpara. Cut with a knife or a design roller into squares or burfi shape, whichever you like. So you can make a batch and then fry. Next, take oil in kadai on medium flame. Once the oil is reasonably hot, it should not be very hot. Start frying the cut Shakkarpara in small batch. That all pieces are fried golden brown from all sides equally. Remove on a baking paper and let it cool thoroughly. As the Shakkarpara cools, it will become crispy and crunchy. Store in airtight container for up to 2 weeks. Well, if they stay till then. Do try the recipe and let me know in the comments. And a happy and safe Diwali to you.